One of the devices sobrang sulit na pwede ko recommend sa inyo, and this is the Xiaomi Pad 7. Kita na guys, so ang ganda ng kanyang display. I love it kasi 11-incher siya. And what's nice is maganda rin ang kanyang keyboard. Very nice ang typing, tahimik siya, very responsive. And if you have the extra cash, you can even buy a extra pen para dito. Kasi pwede ka mag-drawing using yung Mi Canvas and other drawing apps dito na pwede nang gamitin siya for drawing, for sketching, or just simply mag-sign lang kayo ng mga documents dito. Pwede yung Xiaomi Pen. And what's nice dito sa kanya is also pwede ka rin mag-gaming. I already did my full review na itong tablet na ito and nasa YouTube channel na natin. You can feel free to check it out, no? And one thing to like din dito sa kanya is nakapaglaro ng games. I was able to play Genshin Impact with si Call of Duty Mobile, Farlight 84. Wala kang may problema. Medyo i-lower down mo ng konting graphical setting, and this is being powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, which is quite powerful na para dito sa tablet na ito. And honestly, I would say na solid ang feel na itong tablet na ito. And another thing is, panonood ako ng mga NBA playoffs dito and NBA finals. This is probably one of the best devices na pwede mong gamitin for viewing. Itong Xiaomi Pad 7. And probably one of yung pwede mo i-compare dito is ang kanyang iPad counterpart, which is the iPad 11 Gen na A16 2025. Halos ganito rin ang feels niya. Pero this one is a little bit more cheaper at around mga nasa 17K. No? Si iPad is playing at around mga 24K, pero relatively hindi sila nagkakalaya ng performance. This would probably be a little bit better pagdating sa gaming dahil sa kanyang processor. So if you're interested dito guys, check na yung full review natin sa YouTube, or you can just simply click the yellow basket. Yun lang. See you around!